Lot number 242 is a small Haier refrigerator. This one's been put away in storage. It was removed. We assume it was removed working. If it's removed because it's broken, it doesn't go to storage. This one came to storage because it was working. It's been put in storage here for a while, just about a year or so. And it appears to be complete and in good shape. The inside looks good. It's a little dirty back here. And the ice cover is broken. You can see where the little pin broke inside. Right there. It's supposed to look like that. So doesn't really stay in place. But other than that, it looks fine. This may be good for a garage or a workplace. It's lot number 242. Good luck.